What's up, traders? So let's do a full multi-time frame analysis of British pound US dollar. Let's see what kind of trading or investing opportunity we have in this instrument. Now, before I begin the full analysis, you can join my free Telegram channel. The link is below this video, and also subscribe to my channel for more analysis like that. With that said, let's start with higher time frame, monthly time frame. Now, monthly, let's see the bigger picture. As I mentioned in quite a few of my analysis before, that British pound US dollar has created a head and shoulder. So this is a textbook head and shoulder pattern. So what does it mean? It means that when British pound US dollar has created a head and shoulder in this very very strong level of resistance. Why? Because you see the price came here long ago historically and then created the lowest price possible here and then moved back there, again rejected, creating a head and shoulder pattern. So that means that we can expect this price to move a lot somewhere here. So we have a big move to take on British pound US dollar based on higher time frame. At the same time, if you see the high of the monthly candle, you can see the clear pattern how this instrument was moving over time. You see that the price was creating a series of lower high, except the previous months basically cross couple of candles. This is a sign of false breakout of this resistance, and it hit all the stop loss or maybe break even trades, grab the liquidity from here. And now this month we see the buyers try to push the price high. It crossed almost the half week of this dodgy candle and then started to move down. So we can expect now at least to this level this month, or even to this level could give us a significant trading opportunity in the next 2 weeks. Now let's see on the weekly time frame to find out how we can trade this instrument. Now on the weekly previous week we saw a doji. Now after this green candle, the bulls tried to push the price high, but they couldn't create any strong bullish candle. Instead, it has created a doji. So in this doji, we see that this doji is formed in this level of resistance. We see a false breakout of this trend line. All the factors is working towards going down. So let's see on the daily time frame how we can find this analysis. Now on the daily, we see the last week of the trading week, it has created a doji here. This doji also created in this level of resistance on the daily time frame. Now as a result, we see the sellers found resistance here, and we see the price is dropping from here. Let's see on the 4 hour to find what kind of trading opportunity we have. Now this candle is going to close after almost 40 minutes, but this is going to be a very very strong bearish candle. Now if this one closes below this level, we have an important thing to remember is that this is a level of support here. Now, if you extend this line, you see that in this lower time frame, it acted here resistance, big move to the downside. It acted here support, created a false breakout, and then big move to the upside. Now, when we see a head and shoulder here as well, and then we see the breakout of this level. Now the only way to trade, not from here directly, the only best way to trade is when this neckline will be tested. Let me explain what it is. When you see a head and shoulder like this, okay, and breakout of the head and shoulder, you can wait for this neckline, this support, to be tested as a resistance. You can see almost 90% of the case all the instrument does like this. And when it will be tested as a resistance and you see a long weekend any kind of price action pattern, then you can trade on the short side. That's what we'll be doing, as we have a strategy to trade this kind of pattern. So what we will be doing with our student is the price will be watched from here after the candle close to see a possible test of this neckline. As soon as you will see the neckline has been tested as a resistance, we will take a short with a high risk to reward ratio. On the other hand, if we see another one straight up, which is less likely to happen but not impossible, that means that it has created another false breakout to the downside. We will not take any short trade, and we'll see how this price action is forming. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis. Before I wrap up, I have just launched my book Forex Price Action Trading. The link is below this video in description area. You can download it for free in ebook format. You just need an email address. At the same time, if you're new in trading or even trading for some time, I have a completely free also A to Z trading video lessons. You can access all of them. You just need an email address completely for free. Thank you. See you soon.